To download and install Revit, this is the process. The first thing that you have to do is you have to search for Revit MEP Revit link. So in Google you can search for Autodesk 3-year license. Okay, so they will give free student software download. So from here you can get the free software download. I'll click here and then we'll get this screen where we have to go for sign in. Okay, or you have to create your account if you don't have. So if you click on sign in, okay, you'll go for the sign in here. Just go there, then it will ask you to create an account. If you have account, you can directly give the email and click on next, but I don't have the account, so for that we'll try to create account. For that, now again you have to give the name and other details. Account will be created. So this is on my email ID, which is already there. You have to use some other email ID. I'll just use some random. I'll just check whether this is there or not. This already exists. We'll use some other email ID. Let me check. So I'll use this email ID. You can use anyone else, any other, according to your requirement or your email ID. This is the okay. Now after that we have to confirm. Password minimum at least one letter, one number, minimum 8 characters and at least 3 unique characters. So according to that you can set your password. I'll check this. So account is created. Now click on done. This you will get. Now you have to download Revit. So you go for Revit. So first you register your email. After that you have to complete the profile. Again you can give the same email. Then click on next. Password you can give. So we'll get a verification in the mail. So I'll click here, mail has been sent. I'll check the email. Mail has come here and this is verify email. So I'll verify it is done. Okay, then it will redirect me to this page. It will automatically sign in. You have to just wait for some time. It should sign in. We'll try to sign in again. It should automatically sign in. If not, you have to again sign in. Then click on next. Click on sign in. Now it will ask for set up your educational profile. So for that you have to give the country. We'll try to take a country. Educational role is a student for you. Institution type you can take any one of this. Okay, so let's say I'll try to take institution type as a high school secondary, and then you can take any one of this. Okay, and then you have to give your own date of birth. I'm just giving some random numbers. Now it asks for the educational institution. If it is if it is registered, then you will get the name. Otherwise, what you do is you type EDS. Okay, you will get some name. Take any institute name, that's okay. But if your educational institute is not registered, then you have to do this. Otherwise, you won't be able to create. So this is for architecture and construction. You can give some random or dummy enrollment date. Okay, and then click on next. Here it is, enrollment is prior to May to 14, so we'll try to take August. Whichever works for you, that's okay. Then click on continue. So this will now again guide you to this account, this page. It should sign in automatically, just we have to wait. Some issues with the signing, so we'll try to sign in again. It is not automatically signing, so I'll just sign in again. Click on next. Sign in, get started. So here we have two-step verification. Make sure you have installed authentication app, so you have to do this. After that you will be able to download. You will get a download option once you have scanned this. Okay, so this can be done, or you can use older phone, use SMS instead. So you can use even SMS. So if you go for SMS instead, then you have to give your country, and SMS will be coming to your phone. So you will get an SMS in your phone. Let me get. Still SMS has not come. Okay, so any one of these method you can use for verification. In my case, the SMS is coming late, but you can use this once you have entered the 6-digit code, or you have used the QR code method. You will get install option, and then you can follow the process for installing. So this will install Revit with 3-year license. You should be connected to internet while installing. Okay, so that is the method of installation of Revit for 3 years. Or instead you can go for 30 days trial version. That is also fully activated. You don't have you means you don't have any limitations in that. So you what you can do is you can search for Revit trial version. This is 30 days version. So here we have download Revit, and you have made already so you can download the free trial. Okay, just you have to click on this and it will download the free trial to your system. Again, while installing you should be connected to internet, and then only you will be able to download the trial. Okay, so available platform, it will give all this. Click on next, student or teacher, then you can go to education community. So it will guide you here. You will be already signed in, so I told you how to create an account. So you sign in that. After you have signed in, you will get an option which version you want. So let's say I want 2021 version. Then you have to create you have to go for operating system and the language, and then you will get an option for installing. Okay, now this will also install in two personal devices. Okay, you can it will have a serial number and product key, and that will be automatically given. Just you have to click on install, accept, and keep on following the process. This will install a Revit for 30 days. Okay, later you can again renew after 30 days also. So this is the process of installation. Once this is downloaded, you have to click install again. Once you have started running this program, you have to click install again. So here I will go for show in folder, and this will be where here. Now I'll right click on this and run as administrator and click yes. So after that, again one screen will come that will ask you to install again, so that you can install. Okay, let it come. So once it is done, you will see you will get an Autodesk Revit 2021 like this. It will keep on downloading, and one install button will come again here. One install button will come again here, and then you have to click on that to start installing. So that is all the process of installing. It will take around 2 to 3 hours or sometimes 4 hours, depending upon internet speed and computer type that you have. So that much only is there in the installation. Both the method of installation, that is first method of getting 3-year license and the second method of getting 30-day license, both I have told. Both are authentic version from the Autodesk, no pirated version. So you will be safe, your computer will be also safe. So I'll stop this video here. You can now download it.